today's video, I'll be showcasing my 3 skills. That's sewing skills, building skills, and knitting skills. Watch this video till the end so you can appreciate all the skills that I have. Thank you in advance. Okay, let's get started. So, which one of these are you going to try? Is it the knits, or the beads, or the fabric? Let me know in the comment section. Note that I have made videos on how to do some of these items. I will link them in the description box, so do well to check them out. I hope you've learned a thing or so from this video. Don't just sit idle at home. do something and earn something. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Or the beads. So today I'll be showing